So hello guys, today I have received a welcome kit from Accenture. So I have recently joined Accenture, so due to that they have sent me a welcome gift. So I'm just going to unboxing the pack in front of you. You can see what exactly Accenture is sending as a welcome gift. So let's open up. Okay, I'm just unboxing the upper one. Just see. Oh, okay. So you can see a box with the Accenture logo. Okay, nice one, nice package. Okay, so this is the welcome kit box. So in this box there have some interesting gifts. I would like to open up. Let me open it. So yeah. Oh, very first thing you can see here I have a greetings card. I had to mention at Accenture your career is limitless. It's a nice greetings card, or you can say a welcome card from Accenture. Oh, very nice. See, this is a wooden water bottle with the mark of Accenture logo. Nice. See, very nice. That is very beautiful. This one is very nice. Okay. Okay, so here I have a pen also, a wooden pen, right? See, with the Accenture logo. The pen, yes, pen. Okay, very nice. Okay, so one more gift is there. Okay. Okay, so Accenture notebook, two notebook they have sent with the Accenture logo. See, they have a logo. Nice notebook, very nice. It will helpful for me. Okay, so these are the gifts. See, a wooden water bottle, a wooden pen, a greetings card, and two notebook. Very nice. I would like to say thank you, Accenture. Thank you for giving me a valuable opportunity to work with your organization, this great organization, and thank you for this beautiful gift. Okay, thank you so much. I hope guys you would like this video. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up and subscribe the channel. And if you have any comment, then drop your comment on comment section. I would definitely would like to answer your comment. Thank you and bye bye.